Welcome to AeroAuto Adventures. Today, we're exploring an exciting and innovative concept that could redefine transportation as we know it: solar-powered cars. Are these vehicles the future of green transportation, or just another ambitious dream? Let's find out. Solar-powered cars are designed to run using sunlight as their primary energy source. With photovoltaic panels integrated into their surface, these cars capture sunlight and convert it into electricity to charge their batteries. The goal? To eliminate dependence on fossil fuels and achieve zero carbon emissions. Let's take a closer look at how they work. The solar panels, often placed on the roof or body of the car, absorb sunlight and use photovoltaic cells to generate electricity. This electricity is stored in a battery, which powers the electric motor. Essentially, the car becomes a self-sustaining energy system, generating power as it moves. So why are solar-powered cars so appealing? First, they're environmentally friendly. By using renewable energy, these cars produce no emissions, making them a perfect solution for combating climate change. Second, they promise lower operating costs. Imagine never having to pay for gas or electricity to charge your car. Just park it under the sun and let it power up. But as promising as they sound, solar-powered cars face significant challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is energy storage. What happens when it's cloudy or nighttime? While batteries can store some energy, they might not hold enough to meet all driving needs. Another challenge is cost. The advanced technology required for efficient solar panels and batteries makes these cars expensive to produce. Finally, there's efficiency. Current solar panels can only convert a limited amount of sunlight into usable energy, which could limit the car's performance and range. Despite these challenges, there are companies pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Lightyear and Aptera are among the pioneers in this field, developing solar-powered vehicles that aim to make renewable energy a practical solution for everyday transportation. Their designs are not just futuristic, but also highly functional, combining advanced aerodynamics with cutting-edge solar technology. So, what does the future hold for solar-powered cars? Imagine a world where highways are filled with vehicles charging themselves as they drive, significantly reducing pollution and energy consumption. While we're not there yet, the progress being made in this field is undeniably impressive. The question remains: are solar-powered cars the ultimate answer to green transportation, or will they remain a niche innovation? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AeroAuto Adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on exciting content about the future of transportation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.